we'll be using a free plugin called Starter Templates. And that's what's going to give us access to hundreds of professionally designed templates that are fully customizable and free. So let's get it installed. Over here on the left menu, hover over Plugins, then click Add Plugin. In the search bar, type in Starter Templates. And then you'll see the plugin pop up right here. Click Install Now. And that's going to bring you straight into the Starter Templates onboarding. Once you're in, the first thing we want to do is pick our page builder. Up in the top right, click into this menu, and we're looking for Elementor. Elementor is the drag and drop builder that we'll use to actually design and customize your site. So that's the one we want. Now, in some cases, Elementor may not show up on this list. If that happens to you, here's how to quickly fix it. Start by closing this window with the X in the top right. Then down in the bottom left, click into Settings. Then scroll all the way to the bottom. You're looking for this setting right here that says Disable Elementor Page Builder Templates in Starter Templates. You'll want to make sure that this is turned off. With this setting turned off, go down and click Save Changes. Then to get back to Starter Templates, go back over to the left, click into Plugins, and then under Starter Templates, click Get Started. Now go back to the top right, click in, and you should see Elementor here. With that done, go ahead and click on Elementor. All right, so now that we have Elementor set as our page builder, this is where the fun really starts, because we get to pick our template. A template is basically a ready-made design for your website. So instead of starting from a completely blank page, you get a professional layout that you can customize and make your own. So you can think of your template basically like a starting point for your website. To find a template, you have a few different options. You can search for a specific one here at the top, and they also have these pre-made categories here. So if you're building a specific kind of website, they may have a template that's perfect for you here. And you can also just scroll through the homepage here and see if any of the templates stand out to you. I also want to quickly mention here that any templates that have this premium tag in the top right, you'll have to pay to use these. But if you see a template like this that doesn't have the premium tag in the top right, this template is totally free to use. Once you find the template that you like, go ahead and click on it. And on the right side here, you can scroll through and actually check out how the template looks. You can check out all the different sections. And for most templates, if you scroll up to the top and you click on this menu icon right here, you can actually go through and check out the other pages as well. I like the look of this template, so I'll go with this one here. On the left side here, you have some more options like uploading your logo, which we'll do a little bit later. You can also change out the font pairing here. And you also have an option to change the color palette. Once you've made your selections, go down and click Continue. And here you can select the features that you want on your website. At a minimum, you just need the page builder and contact form. So everything else you see here is totally optional. In my case, I'll toggle off the SEO and search visibility, scroll down, and click Continue. From here, click Skip and Start Building. And now Starter Templates will begin building your website. This process takes a few moments to complete, so I'll fast forward and meet you at the next step. And then once it's done, go ahead and click on View Your Website. And after you click on that, you'll be brought to your website for the first time. And there it is. Your website is online for the very first time. And if you haven't gotten started just yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description to get access to the lowest price available for your hosting. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.